if you could leave somebody with one thought to think of about how they're going to increase the impact on the people around them, what would that be?
I would just say service. I've come to learn that we all are in the service business. We're servicing something or someone. In our case, or in your case, or in everyone's case, we want to service our families. We want to make sure that household is good, kids are good, wife is good, there's food on the table, there's a roof over everyone's head. That's the mission, is to take care of home. But also, when you have clients, treat them like human beings, not just a cash register. These are people that have real lives that rely on you to make sure that their smiles are bright. So when they walk out, they feel confident in who they are. And they impact other people's lives by just a simple smile. So when I look at everything that we all are doing, we are in this boat together. You're providing the service. I provided the service for many, many years on the football field because you paid a lot of money to come watch us play, and if we didn't perform well, you was ticked off about it. And when we won Super Bowls, you were happy about it. And so no one wants to be taken advantage of. So I say service is the key to everything that we all do.
Awesome.
Quality service, period.